everybody, let's get back to upcycling my mom's kurti. This is the sketch, this is what we have done so far. And I had asked what this dupatta would be for in the previous video, and yes, it is for ruffles. But what ruffles? They are flounced ruffles that's made out of circles, something like this. This gives a smooth line on the inside edge of the ruffles, making it look cleaner while attaching it on delicate fabrics without weighing down the edges. Now this is how you create them. I'm also using zigzag stitches to secure the edges of the dupatta material, gathering them and finally attaching them to all the A-lines on the dress. This is how it looks now, and let's move on to the sleeves. I'm using them off shoulder, so adding the elastic for them to stay on so they'll hug around the forearms, some extra details to match the purple ruffles, including the others. Again, we are adding a few more flounced ruffles to the sleeves, and this is the final sleeve look. Doing the same for the neck, and finally we need the chest area of the dress to have a form of its own so that it stays up. So fusible interfacing to the rescue. Cut it out in the shape of the neck, iron it onto a lining, cut it out again and then stitch it onto the neck / chest area. That being finished, are you ready for the final look?